Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and I'm actually in Florida today. Sunny Florida, as a matter of fact. I had to put my sunglasses on. I always hate talking to people with sunglasses on, so I wanted to start without them and put them on. A lot of questions about this lawsuit that we just talked about on Friday. Many of you familiar with the fact that big-time attorneys sued NAR as well as the top 20 real estate brokerages, RE/MAX, Coldwell Banker, Keller Williams, Berkshire Hathaway. They're all named in this lawsuit over commission negotiations and creating a monopoly. Let me tell you, this is serious. This is something that's very, very important to the real estate community. And no matter what your opinion is, of course, we all think we're innocent because we're honest and ethical, right? The question on the lawsuit, and you can see a link to it here on this page, on this description. The problem in the lawsuit states the buyer agency is fixed, not your listing commission. So I know when you go out there, you negotiate your fee, 5, 6, 7%, whatever you're charging. Their contention is that NAR, the MLS, as well as all of the real estate brokerages are trying to make it a flat fee to buyer agents. So what that means is, like in Columbus, Ohio, where I sold real estate for a long time, you had to list your house at a 3% buyer agent fee. If you listed it at 1%, nobody would show your house. It had to be at 3%. It's the same way in a lot of areas. It might just be 2.5%. That's the set fee. Their contention is that the homeowners never got a chance to negotiate that. They were told you have to do it at this fee or nobody will show your home, which then becomes a fair housing disclosure issue. You're trying to put your commissions first. But I want you to think about this. If there were agents listing homes for a 1% fee in your marketplace or a 2% fee in your marketplace, yes, it's against the seller's best interest. Yes, they will not get the showings they should get, but that's actually the meaning of the lawsuit, is that agents are steering based on their own commission. They might actually pass up on a great house that's underpriced because they're not getting their full fee. So there's definitely two sides to every coin. There's definitely good and bad on our side, on their side, that type of thing. But I point out, as you see in the article, if you check this article here on the page, these attorneys have represented some big, big cases. They helped Exxon to win with the oil spill. They helped against Volkswagen when Volkswagen had their emissions problems. You probably remember that a couple years ago. They beat the big tobacco companies, so now they can't have cigarette ads on TV. As a matter of fact, those big companies have to have articles about how bad cigarettes are for you. So this is all a tremendous issue, and it faces literally a class action suit against every single real estate agent in America. Now, if they do win, they can retroactively go back 5 years, and every single person that sold a home would be entitled to a refund or a portion of that lawsuit, which basically means the brokers, they're going to be closing up shop. Like, it's a major problem, right? They're not going to have that kind of money. So I hope they win. I hope that our brokerages win. I hope NAR wins. I hope that we can go about business the way that we always have. I hope that we win this case, but you have to be very much aware of it and think about the consequences of what that's going to mean to real estate agents. I coach agents all over the country. We've got 30,000 agents we coach at all different levels, and it's important to me to make sure that your business stays strong. You got to keep growing your business. You got to get yourself an extra 2, 3, 4 closings a month, but you have to adjust with the tides. You may not have seen here recently that Zillow just announced they're doing basically what Uber did. They're going to have unlicensed people showing houses that are on Zillow. They're basically a taxi cab driver. That's a problem, right? But it's a change. It's a disruption to the marketplace. What are you going to do as a real estate agent to keep up on that? We teach all of our coaching members exactly what to do, how to make money on a regular basis, but you got to be up on this stuff. So while I'm always 100% positive and have great information for you, I'm down here in Florida today. I'm actually meeting with a whole bunch of real estate agents to grow their business. They're already doing extremely well. I usually have those positive messages, but you got to be aware. I mean, this is the truth of what's going on in the marketplace. So do yourself a favor. Click the link in this article or in this video here. There should be a little bit.ly link that will take you directly to our page where I posted that article from MarketWatch. It'll give you some details on it. Again, pay attention specifically to the wording on buyer agent fee. That's the problem. It's not that we're fixing our listing commissions. It's that the MLS has conspired with agents to fix the buyer agent commission, which is actually true. That's cost the homeowners an awful lot of money. My personal opinion, I think in the next couple of years there won't be buyer agency. I think if you want to call on that house, you got to call the listing agent. There's going to be one person representing the house, and that's basically it. That's how it was before 1996, right? So I think that's kind of where it's going to go, but just my opinion. I'm certainly not an attorney, can't give any attorney advice. Just trying to give you some details on what's going on in today's marketplace. So anyway, check that link. Hopefully you're out there having a very profitable week this week. If there's anything I can do for you, let me know. Do yourself a favor here, by the way, as well as your co-workers. If there's any other agents that need to be up on this, that need to read this article so they know what's going on, you can look like you're in the know, tag them in this video here. Make sure you follow this page, like this video, but tag your real estate agent friends in here so they too can be up on what's going on. You can have a meaningful conversation together. You can talk about your own opinion on this and make sure you're following it accordingly. So make sure you tag some friends in the comments below. Hopefully you're out there making some money this week. I'm Greg Luther. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.